My softener needs refill. It's in auto mode. Whenever the level is lower, it beeps and lets me know it's time to refill the salt. Right now it's displaying that the salt it's gonna last about 10 days, or after 10 days it's gonna empty out whatever the salt it has. As a rule of thumb, I like to fill at least 1/4 full of salt. It comes in a 50-pound bag. This is the brand that I use. There are other options, but I find this one a better quality and the price wise. So what I recommend is do not overfill it, do not fill it to the top. At least leave a couple of inches right below the water level, which is almost on the bottom. Usually I fill it to 1 or 2 bags at a time. If you fill it up more, then there's a chance of forming salt breeze, which is due to the salt compacts and forms thick crust. Water below caves in and forms a hollow space where water cannot dissolve any more salt. So it's highly recommended to fill the salt up to the optimum level so that you don't run it out, and the softener keeps doing its job. Salt uses depends upon several factors. The household size, how much of water you're using, initial hardness level in supply water, the type of softener, of course. Is it efficient enough, or does it just count on the number of days, or it just calculates the amount of or the volume of water that that's being run through? So there are so many factors that dictates on the consumption of salt. I recommend checking salt level at least monthly or more often if possible, before topping in, before adding in more salt. Try to make sure that you break the lower portion for possible salt breeze with a broomstick or any handle. I'm using this tube, PEX tube here. Just need to make sure that if there is any build up here, break it, and there is no any salt breeze. This is a 50-pound bag. It's heavy, so you got to be careful as a safety precaution. If you can't lift it up, you can cut it open. Use some kind of bucket or scoop to add or get help lifting up and putting it back in. I just added 1 bag. I think that is all for me this time. I'm trying best to level it out as much as I can. After adding, I need to find the level. Right now it's almost 2.5, so I go here, more salt level. Currently it was at 0.5, so when I added one bag, so it is at 2.5. Mode set. Now it's at 2.5. That's the time, and that's my hardness level that I have set up. It will recharge at 2 a.m. in the morning, and that's it. Now this will run out in about 83 days, depending upon how much water is used. So since this has a smart reader, it measures the flow and decides when to recharge or whenever it needs a recharge. So that's it.